Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title, today we will be working with Gorgius. So thank you to Gorgius for sponsoring today's video. We're going to be installing this super cute curly bang wig. Super easy, and literally like I installed this in like less than 5 minutes. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look right here, just stay tuned and keep watching. This wig is in the color natural black, and the length of this wig is 20 inches. So this is one of Gorgius shake and go wigs. Also on their website it is named as their big hair shaggy curly premium fiber wig. So this wig is not 100% human hair. When I was installing this wig, it actually did kind of feel like human hair. It's real close to human hair. So I just put on the wig cap and then I literally just slipped this wig on, you guys. Like, this wig was so easy to install. This is perfect for beginners because you really do not have to do too much. I just went ahead and cut my bangs a little bit because they were a little long in some areas, but I really didn't want to cut too much and really do too much to the wig because it was already like ready to go. So I really did not want to do too much. So you guys will see me using my scissors like here and there to cut a few pieces because they were long and they just kind of looked awkward. But when I tell y'all, this wig was so easy. Like, it was literally 1 2 3, like out the box and throw on, literally. So I am adding some water on this hair as well as some mousse as well to kind of just help me define the curls a little bit. And at first I wasn't sure if I could use water on this hair, and I did use some mousse as well to kind of just help shape the hair a little bit, get the flyaways to be, you know, situated and things like that. And later on in the video I will be doing a few hairstyles for y'all so you guys can see different ways you can style this wig as well.